Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are working on the new black R53, which I'm super excited for. My axle finally showed up, so yeah, I'm excited. We can finally put that in and put the hub in, and then the car should be perfect. Yeah, hopefully this doesn't take too long and there's no complications, but let's be real, you never know. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes, I guess. Fingers crossed it goes good. So as you can see, I'm extremely dirty, so ignore that. But I started taking off the brake caliper and whatnot, and found that the two bolts holding the brake caliper bracket on were completely like backed out. So PSA, you should check those every now and then. I don't know if somebody tried to do the brakes and then left it or what, but yeah, not good. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. But now I have the hub exposed, so this should be pretty simple to swap, so yay! are taking a look at the new black R53 today. It does have an engine code, I believe it is P1744. All I know is it's like a leak diagnostic read pump, switch, or... So I looked at the forums and somebody mentioned it could be one of the lines coming from the fuel tank breather valve. So I figured might as well take a look before we go jumping into the emission system in the back. Let's hope that it's something simple. Please. So it seems to be, I see this piece is loose. So I'm assuming that's it. The line they suggested that was broken was this one, but mine seems to be this one, which I believe does connect to it. So this is the line that I showed you guys that I found kind of sitting, I think, sideways, popped out. So once we pulled off the intercooler, we revealed this fuel tank piping. It goes from the fuel tank breather valve to the throttle body. Clearly somebody tried to repair this at one point, which is why there's all this glue. And this is just really brittle. So we went ahead and replaced it, which is probably what they should have done to begin with, because the problem came back seemingly very quickly. And then the cat. Hello, come here. Little boy. Hello. Honestly, the sass. Alrighty guys, so that is all for this video. We finished up with the black R53 and it is finally drivable, which I'm super happy about. Yeah, I'm thinking that's about it maintenance wise for this car as of now. Anything else I come up with I will obviously share with you guys, but I can't wait to see you in my next video.